How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I have a very special car for you. As you can see on the seats, it is the Dodge SRT Hellcat, and I detail this car every month. This is one of my maintenance clients, and this car is really special. I every month look forward to detail this car because this is one of my favorite cars, and I would like to own this one day. And as you can see, the car is really filthy. Every time the customer drives, he will call me to detail the car. If you are new to the channel, follow me on Instagram, E.S.A Detail Garage. And if you are new to the YouTube channel, do subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss my future videos. And just like always, guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And there are a few cold starts in this car, so all you guys who are using headphones, warning, I will tell you guys before when the cold start is coming, and one is coming right up. So if you're wearing headphones, reduce the volume a little bit, but if you want to hear the beast scream, there it is. To clean these wheels, I'm using P&S brake buster, and guys, that is not the Zep window cleaner. My cleaning bottle broke, so I had to use something to use the P&S brake buster, and this is a really good product. I used Chemical Guys Decon as well on this detail, and I'm not really happy with that product. That product is not really that great. There are many other iron decons out there that work much better in my opinion, and I use a few more different kind of wheel cleaners that I'm experimenting with, and I'll put a video up there about that very soon, so stay tuned for that, and you can see which one you like better if you like to detail your cars. After all the wheels are washed twice, I pulled the car back a little bit to make sure to go over the areas behind the calipers, and the PNS brake buster really worked well. Look at the wheels, they were covered with brake dust and now they're super clean, and you can see that in a couple of pictures I show how much brake dust comes off with just one wheel. As you guys can see, the water is beating off and sheeting off the paint. That means this car is ceramic coated. So when the car is this dirty, the water beating is a little bit slower because all the dirt is clogging the ceramic coating. And when I'm washing this car or detailing, I have to be really careful because this is, first of all, a black paint and it is ceramic coated. So I take really good care of this car, take every precautionary method. So if you see, I'm rinsing the car completely to make sure all the dirt is off, and then I foam the car, go over with my detail brush to all the crevices, emblems and everything, and then wash off that foam, and then go over with my contact wash. This way I take off all the loose dirt, and there is very minimal chance of putting any swirl marks on this car. And if you would have noticed, the wheels are also ceramic coated in this car, so washing off all that brake dust makes it really easy, and this car is protected all the way around. After foaming the car, I go over all the emblems and the badges with my detail brush. I'm very gentle with it, not to scratch the paint, and go over all the crevices and all the areas where dirt could be hiding, where the mitt cannot reach, and give you a little bit background about the vehicle. This is the 2017 again. This only has 5,600 miles on it, and the customer hardly drives the car, and whenever he does, he will call me to detail it and put it right back in the garage. And this car has custom exhaust, so the cold starts are really loud. And this car is what he mentioned to me was custom to his, and it cost him $95,000 back in 2017 when he bought it. And this car is really amazing. I can go on and on about it. I really love this car. I really love to detail this car. And after I do my contact wash, I wash the car completely and very gently dry the car with 2 towels. One is to just take off the water, and the next one is just to remove any streaks that is left off, and the car is dried completely. After all the vacuuming, now is the time to clean all the interior with the all-purpose cleaner. I clean the seats with the all-purpose cleaner too, just to wipe down a little bit and then recondition them with the conditioner. And guys, as you can see in that cold start, as soon as you put that car in drive, the car just wants to go. It just lurches forward, and those seats are awesome. They are so comfortable. I'm sorry, I'm just going on and on about this car because I really enjoy this car. And the last 2 steps that I really do to wrap up the detail is apply tire shine, and I make sure that all the windows and all the windshield is wiped down and they're clean. And after that, the car is ready to be delivered to the customer. here are some before and after pics of the detail, and just like that, the detail is over. The kitty is back in his garage, and I park it carefully. And look at that black paint, it just pops. The ceramic coating is amazing. And thanks for watching, you guys. Please do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and you enjoy the rest of your week, and I will definitely see you on the next one.